Welcome back to the only WordPress tutorial you will ever need. This is Michael Joshua from easyassmarketing.com, and we are beginning Module 8, Customization, Part 2, the header banner. And even if you've never created a header, you will be able to do it right now. So the first thing we're going to do is use an online site called onlineimageeditor.com. This is the URL. You can copy and paste that into your browser address bar to get to the site. When you click on that site, you will get this page right here. This is where you're going to build your header banner. So the first thing we'll do is click on the Create Canvas tab, change the width to 970, the height to 95, change this one color to white so that you have a white background, and then click Create Canvas. This is what comes up next. This is actually your header banner space right here. Everything you do is going to be within this space. So let's click on Wizards and Overlay Image so that we can bring an image into our banner. If you don't have one, you might think about what image you would like on your header banner. I'm going to use my Easy Ass Marketing logo. If you don't have anything like that, you might just decide, just take a picture and put it on there so that you do know how to do it when you come back and build your banner. So now I have uploaded my banner, now my logo, and this is what it looks like. You see it's much too large for the banner itself because this is the banner space and this is much larger. So if you use this slider, you can resize it and make it smaller. You can use this slider if you want to make it a little bit transparent, if there's some reason you want to do that, or to rotate it, you also have that option here. The only thing that we will do is resize it to fit into the banner bar itself. So now what I have done, I resized it so that it would fit, and I dragged it down here because this is where I want it on my header. And once you've done that, you've decided exactly where you want it and you're happy with it, click the Apply button. And the Apply button again is right here. So after you've done that, click the Apply button, and now it is saved as a temp. It is important to note that everything that you do in this particular software is a step-by-step process. So if you get to, like you've done 5 steps and you decide you want to change step 2, you actually have to back into it and start over at step 2. So if you're not sure exactly what you want to do, you may do some playing around with this, but once you hit apply, going to the next step is your best option. So try not to have to back into it too much if you don't have to. Now we're going to add our text. So click on Basics, Add Text, and you'll get this window right here. As you can see, here's a box to place your text. And it comes up, when it comes up, the default says Add Text Here. It also defaults with yellow, Arial bold, and 60 is the size. You can see right here is Add Text Here. So whatever you put in here, if you click Preview, it's going to show up for you. So I put my site title in here, Build My WordPress Site. I chose a blue. I made it a little bit bigger size. I dragged it down to the banner to see how I liked it, and then I adjusted the size. So you can do that. You can place it wherever you want. Once you are satisfied with it, just click Apply, and then you have pretty much set up your banner. Once you've finished, click Save. Save it to your computer so that you have the file on your computer, and pay attention to how they name it, because they name it with probably, I don't know, 15, 20 characters, and it's not going to make sense to you if you don't pay attention to how they've named it. So just make a note of that. I wouldn't write the whole thing down, but just have an idea of what they've named it so you can find it when you need to. And that's it. Now you have built your banner. Much easier than you thought, I bet. Now we're going to go back to the resizable dashboard, and the logo is in the Appearance Resizable Theme options, and they call the banner the logo. So even though it has an upload image button here, it doesn't work. I don't know why they have that button there. It's been there for as long as I've been using this theme, which is several years, and it's not changed. It just doesn't work. So what you need to do is go to your dashboard again, and up toward the top, there's a media button. Click the media button and it opens up a couple of options. One of those options is Add New. Once you click Add New, you're going to get a window that looks like this. So click on this select file and then go find the image that you just downloaded to your computer as your header banner. That's what you need. So go find it and then you'll upload it. Once you get it uploaded, you're going to get this window and it shows right here the name of the image, and over here is an edit button. We'll want to click this edit button to open up this page because you need this URL, and this is the most direct way to get it. If you click the edit button for any image, you can always grab the URL. So double click into this box and right click and copy so that you've saved it to your clipboard. Now you can go back to the Appearance Resizable Theme Options box in the logo and replace this information right here, replace this image with your new URL. Just copy it in there, scroll down to the bottom and click Save. And then let's go look at your site. Now here's mine. As you can see, my new banner is right here across the top where it belongs. Looks great. Here's my blue that we put in. Here's the gray background we did. So we are actually starting to look like our own website. So we will look at some more customizations in Module 9. This is Michael Joshua from EasyAskMarketing.com.